Let's learn Java. First, you will install what is called as the JDK or the Java Development Kit. I'm going to use JDK 17 to verify my installation. I'll go to my terminal and type the command java-version. This will show that I have the Java runtime environment installed on my machine. To make sure that it has the Java compiler, I can use the javac-version, and then it should show you the same version for the Java compiler. Now that we have the Java Development Kit installed, we need an editor to create our programs. VS Code or Visual Studio Code. I have it installed already. Okay, so I'm going to create a new folder where I want to keep all the programs. So I'm going to create a new folder, Learn Java, and then use that. Now once I have that folder created, I'd create a new file and name it hello world.java. It's our first program. So here I have a class called hello world, inside which I have a method called main. And this is a special method because it is where the execution starts for a Java program. Inside the main method, I have a statement system.out.println hello world. All it does is print hello world to the output, in this case the terminal where you're running it from. Save the file, and now we'll go to your terminal or command prompt. Change directory to the folder where you placed your programs. Verify that you have the file in there. I have it as hello world.java. The first step is to compile this program, meaning you are translating the Java file into something that the Java runtime environment understands. So javac hello world.java. If there are no typos or anything, it should compile successfully without giving any message out. You can verify that it compiled successfully by doing a listing of the directory, and you will see a new file called hello world.class created. Now this is not a text file, so don't try opening it in your text editor. It's a binary file. It is understood by the Java runtime environment. Now once that is there, you run the program using Java hello world. Note that I'm not using the .java extension here. You're just passing the class name. Now what it does is it prints the output hello world to the terminal, because that was a statement that was given inside the main method of the class. That's it for now.